Hi, in this video today I'm going to be doing a close-up look at Speechelo, the AI voice platform creator, and the voices that are available, what they sound like, and what's available between the standard and the pro version, so everybody can get the straight scoop. I'd like to give straight information. This backed up from the Speechelo review I published the other day. Wanted to add this to it. This is like part 2 for that. Let's move on to Speechelo, the voice. So we're going to be doing a review of Speechelo and the voices, the voice selections that are available between the standard and the pro. Having trouble getting it straight, what it is you're supposed to be doing to make money online. If there's something missing or you have questions, please comment below the video. I'm here to help you. Don't forget to click the link below for great free training to help build your online home business, and do that today. And if you like the video, when you're done watching the video, and added content and value to your business and helping you make decisions about whether Speechelo standard or pro version would be best for you, then please like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon, tap it twice, so that you make sure you're getting notified every time I publish a new video. So without further ado, let's move on. We're going to analyze and look at the voices that are available in Speechelo. So in this review, I want to look exactly and only at the voices, do a microscopic view of the voices available between the Speechelo standard and the pro version. And what we talked about in my review video, which was published before this, is there's a big difference between the 30 voices you get in the standard version and the 60 voices you get in the pro version. Refer back to the review video and you can see how many more voices there are. And there's a lot of difference here in what you get for value, but you got to pay the extra money. And we talked about that in the review as well. So let's go and we'll look at what you get in the standard version. I do not own the pro version, but I wanted to bring to your attention the difference in how much difference there is in what's available for voices. So what we're going to do is we're going to analyze, basically we're going to look at this square area down here. This is the voice area on the dashboard for Speechelo. Okay, so what we're going to do is right here is this is the English, US English that's available. And they'll have listed pro, and if it isn't pro, that'll just be listed the name. Henry, male on the standard version. Rosie, female, standard version. Owen, kid, male, standard version. Rachel, kid, female, pro version. Standard version, you won't have it. Now, go through English, Indian. It'll give you 2 choices here, 2 female choices here. And then sometimes they'll be listed whether AI is available or just standard. Now you see AI is not available here. That'll help you. No, and they recommend use AI for the voices. So let's go back here. English US, we did. English British, female voice, male voice, female voice. In pro is 2, only 1 voice, male, in the regular standard version. Chinese Mandarin. Now I've read various reports from the pro version. People said some of these foreign languages, like Chinese, wasn't done very well, didn't come out very well. I can't speak for that personally. But you have Danish and Dutch. Okay, we got a female and a male. And English Australian for the Aussies. We got a male and a female again. And again, only standard. Like I said, realize that there's some things you aren't going to have even with the pro version. English British, we did that. English US, English Welsh. There's one, Dylan. But you can go through here, you get the idea of French, Canadian, German, Icelandic, Italian, Japanese. Got a female and a male. In the pro, one's in the regular version, one's in pro. Korean in the regular version. Norwegian, Polish, Portuguese, Brazilian, Romanian, Russian, you get a male, and then with the pro you get a female. Spanish, Castilian, Mexican, US, Swedish, Turkish, Welsh. And that's your choices. So what I wanted to do next was we'll go through and just pick out a few. Since I'm in the United States, I'm English, US. Let's pick out English. Let's do British. Okay. I have one voice available. So what we can do is we can play that and let you hear what that sounds like.
My name is Arthur. I am a native English speaker.
And then you get an English, Indian, not available because I only have standard. English US, we did the Joey's, the Rosie, the Owens, the Rachel. Here on the pro version.
Hi, I'm Rachel. I am a native English speaker.
Hi, I'm Ellie. I am a native English speaker. Hi, I'm Chloe. I am a native English speaker.
Hi, I'm Summer. I am a native English speaker.
So you can hear the pretty clear, pretty not artificial sounding. Let's do French voice.
Salut, mon nom est Réna. Je suis de langue maternelle française.
That's in a pro. And
Salut, mon nom est Thierry. Je suis de langue maternelle française.
Salut, mon nom est Suzette. Je suis de langue maternelle française.
so there you see you get different voices and different selections for. Let's do one more. Do Italian.
Ciao, mi chiamo Roberto. Sono di madrelingua italiana.
Ciao, mi chiamo Lucia. Sono di madrelingua italiana.
Ciao, mi chiamo Delinda. Sono di madrelingua italiana.
Okay, so you'd have to be the judge of whether that's good or bad. I don't know. I just wanted you to hear some of these
こんに
voices.
ちは、竹脇です。日本語が話せます。
and some
こ
of
ん
the
にちは、
choices.
かつきです。日本語が話せます。
So that's your choices in there. Norwegian, we'll try this. We'll do two more.
Hei, jeg heter Al. Skriv inn noe her, så leser jeg det opp.
Okay. Let's see if they had Danish. Let's try Danish.
Hej, jeg hedder Simonsen. Jeg er modersmål for dansk.
Okay. And then we do one
Hej,
more.
jeg hedder Bente. Jeg er modersmål for dansk.
Okay. So that's what some of the things are and how you use for voices, different voices and what's involved in the standard version versus the pro version. So I hope this short video helped you out, give you more of an idea of what's available and the difference between the standard and the pro. As you can see, these are grayed out. These are everything's available in the pro. But again, there was a price difference, a big price difference too. So keeping that in mind, I hope this video helped you out. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up on it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And after you've subscribed to the channel, don't forget to be notified every time I publish new content to the channel. You'll get notified if you hit the bell icon, tap it twice so that make sure you get notified. And then just want to remind you, don't forget to click the link below down in the description so that you can let me help you out. Just click the link below to get great free training to help you build your online home business. And you can do that today and get yourself started on your own homeline business. Anyway, thank you very much for watching the video, and God bless.